Hey, I'm Bruce the Alligator Man. We live in a swamp right here. So guess what I'm cooking now? Crawfish. Not just your regular crawfish. We're gonna make a crawfish grilled cheese. And it ain't like a regular grilled cheese. All right, y'all, this is crawfish grilled cheese that don't take long. Let me show you how to do it. First, you get your crawfish and dump it. That's all you gotta do. All right, throw that in the garbage. We're gonna move this around a little bit. We're gonna put a little bit of this bayou blend on it. Juice it up a little bit. This ain't no regular grilled cheese. No more. All right, I'm gonna cut me some butter. I'm gonna drop that butter right there. And there's all kind of stuff you can do with these crawfish. A2 ball them and eat them straight. We're gonna cut this butter up. Keep moving it right here. Get all the seasoning in there. You could you make omelets. You make everything with crawfish. We're gonna let this cook a little bit. Let that butter flavor and seasoning soak all in there. Crawfish are cooking. We're fixing to throw down a little garlic. I love garlic, y'all. We're gonna smash this up. A lot of people use garlic powder, which you can. Nothing wrong with that. But I like garlic, real garlic. Back when me and Janet first got married, 1980, that's what we did. We crawfished. That's how we paid the house note, crawfish money. Back then, you just did whatever you could. We're gonna throw this on there, right on top of these crawfish, y'all. Ooh. All right, we're gonna mix that garlic in with the butter, all this good stuff. Now this is just about, I would say, ready. Come on over here. I love this butter. Oh, this butter on Blackstone with toast is the best thing. Okay, we're gonna grease it up with butter. Let me show y'all what's going on here. Lots of butter. Butter makes it better, baby. Okay, we're gonna drop this one down right there. Drop one down right there. We're gonna get another knife. We're gonna do this twice times. We're gonna let this cook, get toasted, then we're gonna flip it. Reason we're gonna flip it, because I want both sides toasted. I want it hotter on the middle when I drop my cheese. Blackstone makes the best toast. I guarantee you, you try this with a toast, you'll throw your toaster away if you eat toast like this. Oh, we love it. We ain't through yet, y'all. Come on, get up here, cheese. More cheese, please. Okay, we're gonna put one of this color right there. We're gonna skip one. We're gonna put one right there. I love this. This is provolone. We're gonna put it on the other side right there and right there. We're gonna take some of this crawfish and drop it right there. Ooh. All right. Put some on this one. I told y'all this wasn't gonna be no regular cheese sandwich. We're gonna put a little extra cheese. Might hold everything kind of together there, you know? Oh, y'all, look at that. I bet your mama ain't never made no grilled cheese like this. We're gonna cut it right there in half, y'all. Reason I'm doing that, because I want you to see all the inside. See all the melted stuff right there? Watch this, y'all. And it all blends together, the crawfish and cheese. Y'all, get you some of this. Good food don't have to take a long time to cook. You can cook it real fast. This is regular grilled cheese. Just add something to it. Make it good.
Tonight you're cooking with the